Today we're going to be talking about mobile technology and how it can benefit students in the classroom. Cell phones. You can use cell phones to collaborate or to create, and apps such as Remind 101 can be used to keep students on top of their homework. And they can be used for quick research also. Tablets. Tablets are really easy to use. Most toddlers can use tablets. They can be used for direct communication between students, parents, and teachers to keep them connected, and it can improve young children's computer skills, and it can also be used for paperless homework. Laptops. Laptops are typically used in older students, but they can be beneficial by having online collaboration with other students, and curriculum support and additional information to students can be sent through teachers. It can promote better organization, and students receive and view assignments online and submit their work via email. And learning is more interesting for the tech-savvy students. So most of all this technology is used in the same way, it's just with a different device, each device is different for each student, so they could use whichever one they feel more comfortable with, but they all improve a student's technology skills.